Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Corsa Extreme Exhaust Kit for the Ram 1500 with the Hemi engine. This Corsa exhaust kit features 3 different tip colors and has an optional front resonator delete kit that you can purchase for an additional $200 some. On screen now are the specs from Corsa's website. Make sure to check out the links in my description below for more content.